Welcome to our quick guide on enabling Always Share Reels to Story on Facebook, updated to reflect the latest app changes. If you've ever wondered how to keep your Reels flowing into your story automatically, this steps through will make it effortless. First, open the Facebook app on your device. You'll want to be sure you're signed into the account you plan to customize, so you don't miss any updates on your feed. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines, the familiar menu icon. This opens a network of options that control how you interact with Facebook's features. From there, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap that, then select Settings. This is where Facebook houses your personal preferences and privacy controls all in one place. Now, locate the Preferences section in Settings and tap on Media. This area governs how media content behaves on your account, including your Reels and how they're shared. In the media settings, you'll see an option labeled Always Share Reels to Story. Toggle this on. When enabled, new Reels you post will automatically appear in your story, helping you reach more of your audience without extra taps. If you run into any hiccups, double check you're using the most recent version of the Facebook app, as updates can rearrange menus or rename options. Sometimes a quick restart of the app can also refresh settings that aren't applying correctly. With Always Share Reels to Story turned on, your creative clips gain extended visibility and you can keep your audience engaged across both Reels and Stories without manual resharing. It's a simple toggle that aligns with how many creators now streamline their content workflow. That's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider checking out more tips on optimizing your Facebook presence and growing your reach across the platform. Thanks for watching.